Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so if you have oily skin or skin with pores and fine lines, and if your foundation and concealer easily crease, this video is for you. This video was actually recommended by you guys. A few of you sent me a viral TikTok hack on applying foundation in a certain way. So I had to try it on myself and I was pretty impressed with the results, and I thought I'll share it with you guys as well. You can see the results before and after. But before that, let's see what the hack is.
Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens.
After much research, I came to know that this is a pretty old technique followed by several makeup artists. And the only difference between what they do versus what she said is they use a primer before powder. So that's the method that I'm going to follow in this video. So I'm going to go in this order: moisturize, prime, powder, setting spray, and foundation. And then we can compare the before and after. As you can see, I have little bumps, I have pores, I have fine lines, and it's pretty distinct, especially around my nose. So that is my problem area. That's where the foundation and the concealer tend to move and come off my face first. I'm going to first start with the Sunday Riley moisturizer. This is the Ice Moisturizer. It's a very thick cream and it really helps to kind of hydrate the face, and face feels really good after this. So I'm going to apply a generous amount like I usually do. I usually slather a lot of moisturizer on my face and neck, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing now. And then my pup decided to enter my room. This is Neo. He is a 2-month-old Aussie doodle, super cute, keeps us all entertained and on our toes throughout the day. He has decided to chill in this room till I'm done with my recording, so you may see his reflection in the back mirror now and then. Now let's move on to the next step. I'm going to be using a primer. So the one that I'll be using is the Tatcha, the Liquid Silk Canvas. Love this primer, super hydrating again. So I'm going to apply it especially in areas where I have those pores, because I want it to be filled and I want it to look flawless. And going in the order, we will now set it with some translucent powder. The one that I'll be using is the one that I use all the time, Airspun. So I'm just taking a tad bit and I'm going to set this primer pretty much with this powder. As you can see, it has already mattified the face. So if you have oily skin or if you sweat a lot, this method should really help. For me personally, I have dry skin, but I still have problem areas around my T-zone, and that is where my makeup moves, and this method really helps. And again, going back to the order, we will now set it and lock it with a setting spray. The one that I'll be using is NYX. I think that's what the TikToker also used. As you can see, the pores look so much shrunk because everything is so mattified now. I feel like the oils are absorbed by the products that we just used, and that sets an amazing base for the foundation that's coming up next. I'm going to be using the new foundation from Folklore. This is the Full Coverage Matte Foundation in the shade 11. Although it says matte, it's not drying on the skin. It's extremely hydrating and it gives that beautiful glow. I'm using a shade lighter than my skin tone because this foundation tends to oxidize on me. Last time I used a 12, which is a true match to my skin tone, but after about 20 minutes, it was deeper than my skin tone and my face was looking a different color than my neck. So I decided to use a shade lighter. So once it settles down and it oxidizes, it comes back to my true skin tone. Yeah, so that's the method. Those were the steps, and this is the final output. Your skin still looks like skin, but a better version. And those fine lines and pores almost feel like they shrunk. Of course, you can still see them because you want your skin to look like skin, but a better version. What a difference it makes. I absolutely love this method. You will see me use this method more often in my videos. I think the whole philosophy behind this method is to create that strong base and then apply anything over that to make it look flawless. And because I had that strong base, the makeup didn't settle in those fine lines, it didn't crease, and it didn't move. So it made it look flawless for a long time. If you plan to try this method out, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box. You'll also find all the products that I used in today's video in the description box. I've also given credits to the TikToker who spoke about this. You'll find her account in the description box as well. If you want me to try any other hack, let me know down below in comments. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.